So I started trying to recreate the program that my brother made for me in high school using this programming language called Squeak, which is based in Smalltalk. But never mind all that. Very great book, by the way. Very nice to use to actually learn how to program. In turtle geometry or turtle graphics. Soon after devouring this book rather thoroughly, I ended up getting a hold of this one because I obviously found the subject matter to be worth looking into at a much deeper level. At any rate, this is also a very good book. Highly recommend it. And you can see it over here at the MIT Press if you want. At any rate, the point here being, what are turtle graphics? Well, just real quick, I mean, it's actually pretty straightforward, in a manner of speaking. See this little turtle here? This turtle is, think of it like a robot, right? It's a cute turtle. Could be a robot, could be anything, could just be a cursor. And you tell this robot, or turtle, to turn a certain amount, and then move a certain amount forward, right? And so that's the idea. So turn this way, this much, and move this far. Right? So it's basically the turtle graphics idea is that. It's kind of like what you would use to program a robot to move. Right? Turn this much, pivoting. Turn this much this way. Turn this much that way. Whatever it is, and then move forward this much. And then from there, turn again, move this much, and so on. And so, of course, it's a very nice method of programming various shapes, art, what have you. You can have this little turtle draw all kinds of awesome things. So it doesn't have to be just a little star there. It can be all kinds of much more elaborate things. You can use it even to create fractals of various varieties. But yeah, so that's the idea. And Seymour Papert, I'm only going to say that last name once. I'll call him Seymour from here on. Seymour is often accredited for having sort of pioneered this whole thing, started with this logo programming language while he was at MIT. And his idea was a way to sort of help children be able to creatively explore mathematical ideas instead of just, being the empty receptacles in which to pour knowledge. It's this more active, engaging, explorative method of learning mathematics. Which is kind of ironically what I was actually setting about to do with my own project using the Squeak/Turtle graphics method of recreating that program. Because, again, I found that it's a pretty neat way to explore modular arithmetic and, stuff like that. At any rate, students, when I would teach a little lesson on it, would get all excited, and so I thought maybe I'd put a book together. Anyways, so somewhat ironic that's actually the original intention of this, turtle graphics idea as well. And in fact, he had put together a small logo turtle robot, in order to actually draw physically these shapes. So you program the robot to turn this much, move that much, and so on and so forth, and create these beautiful patterns. So that's the gist of the overall sense of what turtle geometry, turtle graphics are about. That leads us into, okay, well, how does this then lead to MRSGSs, or Modular Residue Sequence Graphing Systems? And that's the next bit.